What's up, brick builders? Mayor Brick here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be building set number 10190 Market Street. First, we're going to start with a Mills plate foundation here for the set. I have a time lapse here, have some nice music in the background, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, so here's the first part of the build. This is the little market next to the building. I tiled off the entire floor here. Typically this is just exposed base plate, but since I have the yellow top here for the Mills, I wanted to tile that off. And of course you can see the roof comes off here. I love the little detail on the front with the gate and the arch. And here we have the base, which is going to be the basement of the building. I tiled off the floor here again with the dark tan, as well as the back of the building here with the dark bluish gray tiles. Again, I didn't want to leave the yellow base plate or the yellow plate exposed from the Mills foundation. I did substitute the 1x4 window frames here. I didn't have the original ones that came with this set, so I had to substitute. And here is the completed first floor. Looks like it's a bakery of some sort because there's a croissant hanging out the side. You see this one's a little bit taller than the other floors with the double windows stacked. And on the back of the floor here, there's these tan squares, which I think are supposed to represent windows. I don't know why they didn't just use windows. But again, the interior, very basic, nothing in there. Here's the completed second story, again a little bit shorter, like the awnings above the window. We have the same kind of thing with the windows in the back, how they're just tan squares, so I assume that's what they're supposed to be representative of. I like the colors here with the light blue and the offsetting with the light bluish gray. And here's the completed top story with a little balcony. We have a little terrace here off to the side, which is really nice. I like the curved windows as well. We have some greenery out on the side and a little chimney smokestack up top. I like how the design here, this almost looks like a barn, the way they had the roof design pattern. So very interesting how they accomplished that. And then the roof comes off here to expose yet another very basic interior. Now this door here, I did have to have a different one. I replaced it with black. And so here it is. This is set number 10190, the Market Street. This is from the Advanced Models line from 2007, which is very similar to the Creator Expert line. I, in my eyes, have this part of the modular building series. There's 1,248 pieces in this set, as well as 3 minifigures, all unique to this set. Now I keep my minifigures separate from the builds here, so I don't have them readily available. They're mixed in a big tub of minifigures somewhere. Now, at the time, this set retailed for $89.99. Today, though, if you were to pick up a new in-box copy of this, it is $1,300. A used copy of this going about $600 to $625. At the time, this was about 7.2 cents per piece. And like I said, this came out in the year 2007. Now this just looks like a really nice set here. I love the gates on the front. I like the spiral staircase leading up to what I believe is a cafe, and then what is presumably an apartment on the 3rd floor. This little market side build is really nice. Now, before I put this in my city, I realize we're getting to the point where we have to start getting some roads built. So here is a speed build of 4 different mills plates of roads. Now, the way I'm putting these together is very basic at this point. Down the road, I'm going to add a median with some greenery and all, of course, enhance the sidewalk and put some jumpers on there for placing minifigures, but for now, this will do. Okay, and here it is, Market Street next to Café Corner. I'm not sure the placement of this yet. Of course, it doesn't even have to go next to Café Corner, but for now, since these are the only 2 buildings I have, it made sense. I put the market between the 2 buildings because there's that terrace on the 3rd floor, but I'm not sure I like that. So here I put it directly next to it, but I don't like this either because now the terrace is directly up against the Café Corner. So, okay, this might be better. I have it off to the right here. I think this will work for now. And then as we add more modular buildings here, we'll have more flexibility to move these buildings around. They don't have to stay next to each other. But I think this looks okay for now. And here are the road plates added in. We have the corner here at the bottom, and then we have 1 off to the left, 2 off to the right. I'm going to have these as one-way streets and then a median in the middle with some greenery. In here, I just threw a little vehicle in here. It's going to be a street sweeper, so you can see how the vehicles would look. I like these spacing because this vehicle I think is about 8 studs wide. So having the median and then 2 lanes on either side of it really helped to give the street some dimension, have different size vehicles in there, whether it be a semi or a small car or utility truck. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video today. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.